Maiha. I'm current NBA dancer and also sideline project playbook graduate. Today I will talk about my audition outfit. I believe audition outfit is very important for dancers. For my last tryout, I wore these black tops and these black shorts. I bought a dance top and shorts and added rhinestone by myself. So I will explain how customize my audition outfit. First of all, I recommend carefully checking the audition information for each team. Usually it tells you what you need to wear for the tryout. After that, I usually check Instagram posts from last season tryout, like a finalist photos. Social media help us understand the vibe of the team. In my case, team require us to wear all black two pieces, and many candidates added a lot of rhinestone to the outfit. So if I had chosen really simple black outfit, I will feel I'm missing something and might not have had enough confidence. That's why I think understanding the team vibes is really important. However, official information from the team is more important than social media, so please make sure your outfit matches this year's audition rules. The audition rule can change from season to season. So after understanding what to wear, I looked for a black top and bottom online. Actually, I prefer going to an actual store and trying things on, but online store sometimes has more unique design or more options. I recommend choosing a store that allow free exchanges or returns because audition outfits need to be fit perfectly, not too big or not too small. And I also carefully check the length of the shorts because it affects the balance of the outfit. For example, I think these shorts are too long and too high-waisted, but these shorts help make my leg look longer. After deciding on my top and the bottom, I add my rhinestone to my uniform. I prepared 3 sizes of crystal rhinestone. This is a big one, this is a medium one, and this is a small one. And also I prepared the black rhinestone to my middle part, and I bought this glue and it really worked well, so I recommend it. I also used cardboard to keep my top stretched since it stretches when I wear it. Before gluing, I press the rhinestones on my fabric without glue, especially the big one. It helped me visualize the design. Then I glue the big rhinestone first. If rhinestone is really small, I use tweezers or Q-tip to avoid getting glue on my fabric. After that, I glued medium one and small one. Once everything was done, I left it overnight to make sure the glue is fully dried. When it dried it on, some rhinestones were loose, so I added more glue and added more rhinestone where needed. Finally, I really recommend making your audition outfit in advance. This is because you need to make sure you can dance throughout in your outfit, and also some team ask dancers to submit photo wearing same outfit as their audition. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Maiha with Sideline Preg, and I wish you a success. See you soon!